social media profile X. He has said, and I'm going to quote few of the lines from his tweet here, that I came out for election campaign for 21 days on the orders of the Honorable Supreme Court. I am very grateful to the Honorable Court. Kejriwal in fact went on to say that today I will surrender by going to Tihar. I will leave home at 3 p.m. First I will go to Rajghat and pay tribute to Mahatma Gandhi. From there I will go to Hanuman Temple in Connaught Place to seek blessings of Hanumanji, and from there I will go to the party office and meet all the workers and party leaders as well. From there I will again leave for Tihar. So that's the word coming in straight from Delhi Chief Minister as far as his interim bail period coming to an end today is concerned. And in the light of the current situation, this is the statement that has come in from the Delhi Chief Minister as his 3-week temporary bail for poll campaigning has come to an end. The Delhi Chief Minister and Aam Aadmi Party's convener is now all set to return back to Tihar jail later today itself. He has sort of broken down the entire plan for the day for him on his social media profile, where he has said that first he will leave home at 3 p.m. and then he will go to Rajghat to pay tribute to Mahatma Gandhi, from where he will then go to Hanuman Temple, which is there in Connaught Place of the national capital, to seek blessings of Hanumanji. He has in fact further broken down of his plan before he finally surrenders at the Tihar jail. We have CNN News 18's Yash Goyal joining us live on the broadcast to walk us through all the latest developments that he has picked up from the ground. Yash, very good morning to you. So Chief Minister himself has sort of written the entire plan on his social media profile. He will be going to Connaught Place, he will be going to meet his family and rest of the workers. What else can be expected from today? It's going to be a day with a lot of fireworks, certainly.
Well, absolutely, Sakshi. Today's day is actually jam-packed because the kind of itinerary which the Chief Minister himself has shared on the platform X only states one thing, that today is also going to be one of those days when the Aam Aadmi Party will leave no stone unturned trying to portray and put across those optics of how innocent man is once again going behind the bars. In fact, like you mentioned, at 3 p.m. is the time when he will be exiting from his residence here in Civil Lines, and then he will be going to Rajghat to pay tributes to Mahatma Gandhi, and from there on he will be going to Hanuman Temple in Connaught Place, where he said he will be seeking blessings of Lord Hanuman. In fact, then he will be going to the ITO office of the Aam Aadmi Party, which is also the headquarters there. First, he will be addressing the workers of the Aam Aadmi Party, and then from there, finally, he will be departing towards the Tihar jail. So today also we are expecting a lot of leaders coming out and in fact showing that strength of the Aam Aadmi Party, and in fact that optic play will happen today once again, because we know that legally speaking he didn't get any respite from either of the courts. First he went to the Supreme Court, then the matter went to the Rouse Avenue Court, where the order was particularly reserved when it comes to the interim bail. So no relief for him, in fact, coming in from any of the courts. And today it will be a very long day, and in fact today the Aam Aadmi Party will once again focus on those lines where they will be going on to say that how the man who actually stood for the people is once again going behind the bars, because earlier we have seen the kind of comments which were made by Arvind Kejriwal himself when he actually came out, when he was addressing the party workers for the very first time after 40 days, where he said that he will be going behind the bars, but those 20 days or those days he had was for political campaigning.
Right, Yash, and as the Aam Aadmi Party is sort of putting in an emotional front at the moment, they are saying that, as you correctly mentioned, that they are saying that the man of people is going behind the bar yet another time. But what's even more crucial here is the role of Sunita Kejriwal in this entire scenario, because whether she is going to be back as an intermediary between the party workers as well as the Chief Minister who will surrender today itself, what exactly is going to be her role?
See, Sakshi, if we speak about Sunita Kejriwal, one thing was clear: in the presence of Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, Sunita Kejriwal was the one who actually held the fort from the front, because all the press conferences, all the faces of the main events, be it were the political campaigns or rallies which were happening in Delhi or in other places, or the press conferences which were addressed in a same setting as Chief Minister, actually had sent a very strong message that now if there is no respite for Arvind Kejriwal, and in fact a situation arises when actually he has to resign, then Sunita Kejriwal could be the one holding on to the fort and in fact holding on to the chief minister's post. But once Arvind Kejriwal was out, in fact, we spoke to multiple leaders and we tried asking them exactly what their plan is, because the Supreme Court's word was very clear that on the first you have to surrender, and in fact you have to get back to Tihar. So we asked those leaders about, so is Sunita Kejriwal going to be the one who will be the next face of the Aam Aadmi Party till Arvind Kejriwal gets respite? And in fact they had no answer to that. In fact they were like, Arvind Kejriwal is our only leader. But the optics are suggesting that there is a possibility that Sunita Kejriwal could actually come up in this entire ranks, because we saw how other senior leaders were defending the AAP, in fact in the Swati Maliwal case and in the other cases. But those press conferences which were done by Sunita Kejriwal in that same setting as Arvind Kejriwal actually gave a very strong message that she could be the one who could be actually holding on to the position of CM, or actually taking charge of the party till Arvind Kejriwal is inside jail.
Right. Yash, please stay with us. We have our legal correspondent Ananya Bhatnagar joining us on the broadcast as well. Ananya, very good morning to you. Today is certainly going to be a very big day for the Delhi Chief Minister as well as the Aam Aadmi Party. But if we were to navigate through the legal aspect as well as combining it with the Lok Sabha election results, India Alliance is pretty confident that the result is going to be in their favor. How exactly the result of Delhi going to affect the arrest of Arvind Kejriwal? Could you break that down for our viewers?
Well, keeping the results aside at first point of time, but very clearly at this particular point of time, the Supreme Court order of Arvind Kejriwal to surrender on June 2 has got no respite from the trial court also yesterday, when the Enforcement Directorate vehemently opposed that interim bail application that was filed by Arvind Kejriwal. In fact, it was stated that he is using the judicial system for, in fact, oblique motives, and this is an interim bail that is being sought for oblique purposes, is what the Enforcement Directorate had to say. The court has now reserved its order on his interim bail plea. And, yesterday also his lawyers were pushing for an order to be pronounced yesterday itself, so that, his surrender could actually be put in abeyance for some time. But the court was very, very clear that, you can only seek an interim bail with the trial court and not an extension, because the orders of that particular interim bail were passed by the topmost court of the country, and the extension can only be granted by the Supreme Court itself, which had not been possible, which had been denied by the topmost court of the country's registry itself. And very clearly and categorically, if we speak politically about it, though Arvind Kejriwal had been saying it in his rally that, if you vote for me, then I will not be going back to the jail. But things seem to be quite pretty different, because he will be going back to the jail today itself. It is an order of the topmost court of the country. The topmost of the judiciary had said it that, you have to surrender back on the 2nd of June. And very clearly and categorically, Arvind Kejriwal will be surrendering today, as Yash was pointing out. He will head out from his residence, then go to the Hanuman temple, and would also be, going to the party office. How much of it does it play up politically? Because the BJP and the other opposition parties would now have an edge, since the Delhi Chief Minister would not be there, and Delhi is facing a acute water crisis. So major decisions might get affected, and something that would give a ground for the BJP and the other opposition to party to actually play on it.
Definitely. Ananya, Yash, thank you so much for bringing us all those crucial details and sort of put the national capital's picture into perspective for all of our viewers. Shifting focus